Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix incoming calls not showing on display problem, or incoming calls are not showing on your front screen in Vivo S1, S1 Pro or S7. So before you start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix incoming calls problem in Vivo S1, S1 Pro or S7, simply first of all just tap on settings icon and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.